Hello students, welcome back. In today's video, we will continue our second chapter, which is components of food. And in yesterday videos, we had discussed about the vitamins, and we have seen the different types of vitamins, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin B complex, and we will continue the other vitamins in today's video also. So let's start. So let's see what is the next vitamin. Okay, and our next vitamin is vitamin D. So let's see what is the vitamin D and what is its work. So basically vitamin D helps our body to use calcium and bones for our teeth. Okay, we know that calcium is very essential for our bones and teeth. Our bones and teeth get stronger by the calcium. Okay, so how do our body use the calcium? By vitamin D. Okay, the main and what is the source of vitamin C? Vitamin D. The main source of vitamin D is sunlight. Okay, we know that so much sunlight is get hotter and other things, but it is necessary for our body, our environment, and so many other things. Okay, the main source of vitamin D is sunlight. Okay, our body prepares vitamin D in presence of sunlight. Okay, our body prepares vitamin D in presence of sunlight, and D helps our body to use calcium, which is helps to our bones and teeth to get stronger. We have seen the main source of vitamin D is sunlight, and let's see what is the other source of the vitamin D. The food sources of vitamin D are fatty fish and butter, milk, and etc. You can see in the pictures also that there is a cheese, there is a sunlight, there is a so sources of vitamin D is showing in pictures also. There is a sunlight, fish, cereals, milk, butter, cheese, whole grains, and there are other things also. Okay, I hope you have understand the vitamin D. So let's see what is next, the dietary fiber. Okay, so we have seen the different nutritions which are found in our body. So beside this nutrition, there is other things also which is needed by our body, and we have to get these things. Okay, and what is these things? Let's see. Beside these nutritions, our body needs dietary fiber and water. I hope you are familiar with water. Of course you are familiar with water, and what it is a basic, one of the our basic need, because without water we can't survive and we can't live. And dietary fiber. Okay, dietary fibers are also known as roughage. Okay, dietary fiber is also known as roughage. We don't get any nutritions by the roughage or by the dietary fibers, but in spite that it is very necessary for our body, and we will see why. Okay, so the second name of dietary fiber is roughage, and roughage is, and from where do we get roughage? The roughage is mainly provided by plant product in our food. Okay, the main plant product, which is fruits, whole grains, pulses, chapati, rice, whatever the plant food product are, we get the roughage. Okay, And what is its work? The main source of, let's see the sources of the roughage. The main source of roughage are whole grain, pulses, potatoes, fresh fruits and etc. Okay, and this helps our body to get rid of undigested food. Okay, so why do we need dietary fibers? To get rid of undigested food. Basically it helps in digestion of our food in stomach. Okay, and I hope you will understand this. And most of food items usually have one more nutritions. For example, means nothing like that ki if we get only we get as we seen in previous video that there are so many foods and sources of nutrition or vitamins, minerals which we needed by our body, and nothing like that कि they have only one nutritions or one vitamins are present in that food, particular food. There can be one or more nutrition present in that particular food. And what is it? Let's see. For example, as you can see, the rice has carbohydrates. Okay, rice has carbohydrates and roughage also. Okay, and milk has protein, calcium, vitamin A, vitamin D. Okay, so there is, and in the we can take other food example also. In that we can get vitamin D, vitamin C, vitamin B. Like papaya we get vitamin A also, fiber also and roughage also. So the in one food there can be so many nutritions present in one food. Okay, so for today that's it, and your homework is to write the different food name and which vitamin or minerals or nutritions found in that particular food, and you can take that food example from your home. Okay, from your kitchen, anything, just pick any food and try to find out which nutrition is present in that food. It is your homework. I will ask you tomorrow. Okay, till then, thank you.